Hello everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. So, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Threads profile. To get started, let's open the Threads app. This is your home page. In order to set up your profile, you need to go to the profile page. Here, you can see the profile icon on the bottom right corner. Tap on it, and now you are navigated to the profile page. Tap on the Edit Profile button, and again go to Bio. Here, you can write your bio and tap on Done button. For now, I'm writing Hello everyone, welcome to my Threads profile. Tap on Done. And if you want to add some links, then click on the Link button. And if you want to make your profile public or private, then you can just turn it off and on. So, here you go, you have successfully set your profile page. And if you want to import your profile, then just tap on the profile icon and import photo. So, in this way, you can set your profile. That's it for today. If you guys liked this video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.